So, good day everyone. In today's video, I'll be explaining enhancement for the subject. So, start with the first question. So, I'll be inserting the question in the video. So, first, number 26. So, the correct answer for it is letter A, which is 72.05. So, to get this, we're using the formula PNC is equals to FD times the interest over 1 plus interest in the power of n minus 1. So, given the formula FD 15,000, nominal value 4%, and the interest is to get this 0.04 divided by 12 is 0.0333 per month. So, to get the n value is 30 times. So, the equation for this is 15,000 times 0.00333 divided by 1.00333 to the power of 360 minus. So, the result is 72.05. So, for the number 27 question, the correct answer is translation. So, translation is the motion of a rigid body where any line connecting two of its particles always remain parallel to its initial position. And then, moving forward, we have question number 28. So, the correct answer for letter A, altitude, is a perpendicular segment drawn from a vertex of a triangle to a line containing the opposite side. Then next is number 29. So, for the number 29, we have 1,120 degrees. To get this, we'll be using P822, which is 2 sophomores from 8, which is 8 times 7, which will result in 56. And P52 is 5 times 4, which is 2 freshmen from 5. So, we have 56 times 20, which will result in 1,120 degrees. Next is for question number 30. So, for the correct answer is $12,000. Since P over 5 minus P over 8 is equals to 900, we're using this formula. And combining both, we have P 8 minus 5 for 40 is 900. So, shift solve it in the calculator, we'll be having the value P is equals to $12,000. So, that is all. Thank you.